Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and here we have the final installment for the Debox mystery box unboxing. This time around we have the Debox in collaboration with BT Cosmetics. This retails at $70 and you guys can convert whichever to dollars or pesos or dirhams, kayo bahala. So all the description of the box, where the links, the website, and the links will be in the description box. Also, if you're interested in purchasing this mystery box or any mystery box from Debox, from the Debox website, you can use the affiliate link that I have below. This box was sponsored by a friend. She purchased it for herself and she thought it'd be nice for me to unbox it for you guys. So if you're looking for any Korean K-pop items, BTS items to purchase here in UAE, you can go ahead and visit the Debox company website, and they ship to UAE. So let's get on with the unboxing. First, you have this small box. It's not as big and it's not as wide as the other box. If I open it, you will see bubble wrap. And then, okay, so this is the items that you can find, that you can see inside. Okay, so first you have the card. So it's from Team Debox. Yeah, if you want to post a review or anything like that, you can head over to their Instagram page, which is at @DeboxBox and hashtag #DeboxBox. So okay, so you got that. Then you have BT Cosmetics cards with the line friend BTS characters. And what's cool about this is that it transitions. So ayan o, this is the card, and then when you move it that way, you see the characters. That's so cool. Ta-da! Ta-da! And then here you can write something at the back. Again, don't bash me. I have not memorized the character's name and who they are. All I know is, yeah, I don't. Don't bash me. I'm still working on my memorization for that. So you got that. That's one. And then you have plenty of cosmetics. So this one is the cheek cushion. Wait lang. So this is how it looks like. Upside down. Sorry. Ayan. And well, everything is in Korean. So let's just take a peek what's inside. So that's how it looks like. It's the size of my palm, or a little bit lesser of a size of my palm. And when you open it, ta-da! Ang cute! They have cushion pad. Ang cute talaga! And let's flip it open and see. Oh, it's still not yet open, so yeah, there. So that's the color. That's the color. So considering that this is a cushion cheek cushion, sorry, I am assuming that it would leave a dewy finish when you put it on your cheeks over here. So it's gonna be water at first, but then it could either be dewy or powdery, so I'm not quite sure. But I'm also assuming that it's gonna be high pigmented. So that's the cheek cushion. I generally don't purchase these because I'm horrible with cushions. The last time, my last experience with cushions were not so great, let's say. So I stick to cream and powder, but I might consider purchasing this one day. So we'll see. Or not exactly this item, but a cushion, cheek cushion item. So next we have, let's start with this. They have the Line Friends Mang. So okay, so thank God there's a name, Mang. And I don't know what this is. Ah, it's a lip tint. So that's the makeup. And then let's open it up. First off, ayan, ang cute ng packaging, promise. I don't know. And this is like, sorry for burping. So they have a cute like miniature of Mang here on top, and then graphics on the top. Tapos I am assuming this is like, yeah, it is. Ayun siya. Kita ba? Yung color. I'm not gonna swatch it for hygienic reasons, pero it's more on like a coral reddish color. It's not red and it's not orange, so it's coral red. That's my perspective. I could be wrong, but anyways, that's the lip tint. So if you're not familiar with what lip tint is, it's not really a lipstick. It's like a lip tint. Char. Ano siya? Why it won't close? Ate, it won't close. Okay, sorry. Anyways, lip tints are usually a lot more ano ba? Liquid. Kumbaga, it's not thick. And then when you apply it on your lips, it doesn't, I mean, the payoff of the color isn't as strong. So it's kind of like a bit watery faded-ish ang itsura niya over the lips. But then, the more lip tint you put in, the more it will look like it's colored. Tama ba? It's not, but it does not have the same thickness as a lipstick. Lipstick kasi when you put it on, you feel like there's a film of cream or something on top of your lip. But with lip tints, it's usually like water first, and then you either take a tissue and like have it transfer, but then the pigment stays on your lip. So yun ang lip tint. Okay, now moving forward, we have what's this? The cream lip lacquer. Hindi kita yung ano, si Llama. I'm so butchering the characters right now. I'm so sorry, guys. Please don't bash me. I'm trying. Yeah. So next we have the lip lacquer. This is, so ayun ang itsura niya. Yan. Again, you have a miniature of the line character. Diba? And then when I open it up, ooh, nice color. So it's like a pinkish red naman. So this is what I was saying pag lipstick or lip creams. It's like there's a film. Not film actually, parang thick film. I don't know what's it called when you put it on your lips compared to a lip tint. So, oh, that's one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 cosmetics done, or 3 actually. One's the card, Then next we have the tinted shimmering luminizer. Yar, focus yar. Ayan, here we go. This is how it looks. I got key. So I'm assuming this is Jonas. This one I actually want to check. So how this comes. So that's how it looks like. And then here is, let's swatch it. It's actually quite thick. It's a foundation. Yeah, it's a foundation. Very watery actually. Foundation ba siya? I don't think so. Or maybe it's like a tinted moisturizer consistency. Yeah, it's not the foundation. It's not as thick as a foundation, and nor does it have as much coverage as a foundation. But I think it's more like a tinted moisturizer. So, ayan ang output niya sa skin ko. But it does what it says. It luminizes the skin. So, if you want to wear something light on top of your face, na like you don't want to have foundation on or whatever, I think this would be a good sub or a good option instead of the foundation. I would actually consider buying this because I don't like thick stuff on my face. So that's the tinted shimmering luminizer. Then we have the fit on stick. I don't like it when I break. See? Easier than that. So this, oh, ang cute din. Ang gaganda talaga ng packaging nila. Ayan. So, this is like what I am assuming. Oh, no! Totally not what I was assuming. I have no clue what this is. I think it's a primer. Okay, show. It's transparent. If this was a foundation foundation stick na cream base, I would totally know what to expect. Pero this one, I have no clue what this is. Or maybe it's a primer. Maybe it's a primer. Assuming it's a primer, because usually primers are either transparent or might be slightly tinted. What it does, it smooths out your pores and it makes your pore kind of soft as a baby skin. Not pores, your face type. So I'm assuming, I could be wrong. But this may be a primer. Not sure. Next, we have an eyeshadow palette. Okay, anyways. Basta ganyan siya. Come on, yar. Oopsie. Sorry! Oh, basta ganyan siya. It's cookie and the other one. So, it's a... Actually, 3. Because you have a base color. So, you have a base color and a shimmery eyeshadow and a crease shadow. So 3 siya, which is okay for the size. Maganda siya. It fits into your bag. Actually, they're all quite shimmery if I look at it. Pero I think that can pass off the one here can pass off as a base color. Pero the rest, definitely the one on top is for a top shimmer eyeshadow, and then the darker one can pass off as a base shadow. Ganda siya. And then it has a plastic film on top so that it doesn't get ruined. So that's what we have over here. Small eyeshadow palette, or 3 shadow palette. And the last one, we have the cushion. The cushion. But the camera is not cooperating there. Ayan siya. It's the Cooling Fit Sun Cushion. As usual, you guys know what I feel about cushions. So, I can't really say anything about it right now, but like all cushions still has that. So ayan yung ano niya. Again, very cute cushion graphic. And then so usually cushion starts off as empty, or not empty, parang yung cushion niya is white or black depending on, and then when you press onto it with your sponge, the product comes out. So it's gonna start turning into the cushion itself is gonna start turning into foundation color. So whatever skin color you have, that's how it's gonna look like. So that's the last item that we have, is the cushion, the Cooling Fit Sun cushion. In this box, we have a total of, just putting everything in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items, and a card from Tebak, and one from BT. So actually okay siya kasi the box in itself is complete. You have your base on, you have your base items, then you have your foundation, your cheek, your eyes are good to go with the palette that they've sent, and you have 2 lip items that you can choose from, either the lip tint or the lip cream. Tapos, obviously, you have your own brushes at home. You can use your brushes and your sponges. Tapos, I guess what's left, or what would have been better if they included a mascara. Kasi yun, obviously, you have the mascara and your eyeliner. Para complete look na talaga. But so far, I'm really happy with what they've provided in this box. It's almost, let's say, like 95% or yeah, 95% complete in terms of makeup that you could use as a whole. So very happy with the box actually. So whoops, let's put everything back in, and and again, if you're interested in purchasing these items, you can just head down below and look at the description box. You can see the website, click on the affiliate link that I've provided below, and then also just browse to the website, see what you like. Again, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!